Ohayou gozaimasu, konnichiwa, and konbanwa minasan. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. So I just did my Bangohan and please tell me, नानी हो ताबे माशिता का. मुझे बताइए मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. नानी हो ताबे माशिता का. What you had eat today? आपने क्या खाया है आज? ताबे माशिता मतलब ईट करना. नानी हो ताबे माशिता मतलब what you had eat today. So this is not the video which is related to Japanese, but yes, I'm just giving you the additional advantage to learn with me, so you can check out my other videos in the Japanese as well. So soon I'm just starting the videos for the kanji as well and for the vocabulary. ठीक है. Since मेरा तो ज़्यादा dedication चला जाता है to make the videos is for to hunt out job for you and to help as many people as I can, because seriously guys, when you are giving job to someone, when you're providing job to someone, when you're providing foods to someone, it feels like eternal feeling it is. तो वो बहुत exceptional होती है. ये आई डू हैव 3 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस और मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा रिक्रूटमेंट की हैं. आफ्टर वो जो बैक लैशेज होते हैं उसके बाद में जो एक फ्रूटफुल किसी की जॉब लग जाती है ना, ट्रस्ट मेड इज वाओ. Let's back to our topic. So I here come back with 4 to 5 positions as well, so we quickly take through all the position what I am having. But see, Mina-san, I do have a request from you. Please share and subscribe this channel, not just for me, just for the people who is looking out for a job. Because at this pandemic time बहुत सारे लोगों के पास में जॉब नहीं है. तो जितना ज़्यादा आप शेयर करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा लोगों तक ये पहुँचेगा. एंड माइट बी बिकॉज ऑफ यू, बिकॉज ऑफ मी, शायद किसी की जॉब लग जाए. तो डू शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल, नॉट फॉर मी बट फॉर द अदर पीपल. सो एज यू नो, sharing is caring. So please follow this quote. So just I will take you to the first job I'm having for you, and it is for the company Oppo Mobiles. So they are looking for someone onto the profile of senior production engineer or NPD engineer, new product development engineer, or the senior product process engineer. They are looking for the guys for the 3 positions that fit for the production engineer, new product development engineer, and the process engineer. I'm just repeating it again. And what the qualification they are looking for: the BTech into the electrical and mechanical. Both are mechanical and electrical are the specification, and it is must. Experience they are looking for, it is between 2 to 6 years, and the location would be in Greater Noida. If you are keen with this job, do comment me up. I will share you the mail ID to whom you need to share your resume. Let's move on to our second opportunity what I am having for you, and it is with one of the IT company I'm talking about, that is Batish Technologies. It is into the IT firm, and they're looking for someone on the profile of US IT recruitment, US IT staffing. So the location would be in Chandigarh, and they are looking for someone who can do work from home and for a period जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं आता है. So they are giving a work from home. After that you will be on board in the office premises. स्किल्स आपको पता ही है, इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग, और जब आईटी रिक्रूटमेंट की बात होती है तो टेक्निकल स्किल्स दे आर लुकिंग फॉर, जिसने आईटी की पोजीशंस पे मेनली काम किया हो. ठीक है. एक्सपीरियंस दे आर आस्किंग फॉर 3 to 5 years, and the experience in VMS is must. It is must. So if you are not aware about VMS, please don't apply. Then we move on to the third video. I'm so sorry, Sumima Sen Mina-san. Sumima Sen means sorry. ठीक है. और if you want to say excuse me to someone, तो भी आप Sumima Sen बोलते हैं. ठीक है. So move on to our third job opportunity, and it is with IDC Technologies. It is for IT one only, and they are looking for account managers. who had a good understanding into TCS, L&T, and HCL. Experience they're looking for that is 6+ years. Location would be, there are three openings for the same position, but the location is different. The location would be in Noida, Gurgaon, and Lucknow. Noida, Gurgaon, and Lucknow is the job opportunity. They are looking for account manager who had a good understanding into TCS, L&T, and HCL. Okay. Then we move on to our fourth job, that is in delivery. Delivery is one of the company which is into logistics. It is one of the MNC, you all know that. They're looking for senior associates for Bangalore location as well as for Chennai location. They are looking for senior associates for Bangalore as well as Chennai location, even though they are looking for one sales manager as well. So if you are keen with this role, or if you are having the experience of at least 2 to 3 years, please do comment me up. I will share you the mail ID, and you can process ahead by sharing your resume. And fifth is into the HR manager role, and the location would be in Lucknow for the same. They're looking for someone who can handle the entire HR gamut for the company. So starting from the induction to the exit interview, you have to handle out entire role for that. And the company I'm talking about, that is Edu Gorilla. The company is Edu Gorilla. Fine. So as of now, I do have only these positions. So stay tuned for next positions as well. Bye bye. Take good care of yourself. Sayonara. Jai Mata. माता आशिता आई माशो. आज मैंने 3-4 वर्ड जापानीज में बोल दिए. So it is all about माता आशिता आई माशो, meaning I will meet you tomorrow. Jai Mata is take good care. Bye bye.